Welcome to the Balance Creation. Today I'm here with another easy tutorial about how to draw an banyan tree. Hope you will like. For drawing, I need one white paper, pencil and eraser. Start by drawing an oval shape, then the trunk of the tree. Next, draw the branches of the tree. Banyan trees have many branches that spread out in all directions. Try to make the branches look irregular and not too symmetrical. Draw the aerial roots. The aerial roots of a banyan tree are one of the most distinctive features. The trunk of the banyan tree is usually thick and has lots of character. Draw a few lines to represent the bark and texture of the trunk. Now add leaves to the tree. Banyan trees have large oval-shaped leaves. Draw the leaves in the way that make them look like they are flowing in the wind. Added shading to the trunk and branches to give them more depth, or you can add texture to leaves to make them look more lifelike. Finally, add any additional details that you think would make your drawing more interesting. Here I am using the sign pen or pen that help you to make this structure. Remember that every tree is unique, so don't worry too much about making your banyan tree look exactly like your reference image. Have fun with the process and enjoy creating your own unique interpretation.